Today, I'm going to walk you through how to link text in Wufoo. If you've ever wondered how to create hyperlinks within your Wufoo forms, this video is for you. Hyperlinks can be a powerful tool, guiding your users to additional resources, related forms, or simply providing more context. So, let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate links into your Wufoo forms. First things first, you'll want to open your form inside the Wufoo form builder. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're inside the form builder, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable. Knowing your way around can save you time and help you make the most out of this process. Now, let's move on to selecting the field where you want your link to appear. Wufoo gives you a few options here. You can choose a section break field, which is great for adding descriptive text or instructions in between your form fields. Alternatively, you might opt to place your link in a field label or even within a question's instructions for user text box. Each of these options allows you to provide your users with clickable text that can lead them to valuable information or resources. Once you've selected the desired field, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of adding the hyperlink. This step involves a bit of HTML, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. You'll want to use the HTML structure provided and copy and paste it directly into your chosen text field. Here's what that looks like. You'll start with the basic HTML structure, which is a simple anchor tag. The tag will look something like this. /ref https:/example.com type your display text here /an. Let's break that down. The /ref attribute is where you input your target URL. This is the web address that your link will direct users to. Make sure you replace https:/example.com with the actual URL you want to link to. Next, you'll replace the placeholder text. Type your display text here with the actual text you want your users to see and click on. This is your display text. Choose something clear and descriptive, so your users know exactly what to expect when they click the link. For instance, if you're linking to a user guide, you might use View Our User Guide as your display text. After you've customized your HTML with the right URL and display text, simply paste it into your chosen text field in Wufoo. Make sure to double-check everything before moving on. Typos in your URL or display text can lead to broken links or confusion for your users. Once you've pasted the HTML, you're almost there. You'll want to preview your form to ensure everything looks and behaves as expected. To do this, use the preview function in Wufoo. Click through your form and test your new link to make sure it directs you to the correct page. This step is crucial because it lets you catch any errors before your users do. If everything checks out, congratulations. You've successfully added a hyperlink to your Wufoo form. This simple addition can significantly enhance your form's functionality, offering users a seamless way to access more information or complete related tasks. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work with HTML and Wufoo, the more comfortable you'll become. And always consider the user experience. Clear, helpful links can make a big difference in how your form is perceived and engaged with. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy form building!